It's going to be $51.95 after tax.
I'm just looking. I like it.
The ones that aren't refillable, however,
Oh yeah, these aren't refillable?
these are. But these are. Okay. If you have any questions, go ahead.
All right. Thank you.
Alrighty. Water top there.
I'm still amazed by this process.
Hey, Lauren, you do the next one. Most of my girls that make the candles, they always use into the knife.
$51.96. We're missing one.
You may. It's your candle.
I dig it. You guys make these here? We do.
My lord, my lady, welcome to our shop. Are they familiar with our candles? Indeed, well, welcome back then. As you notice, I still do not put price tags on anything, so if you want to know cost of a specific style of
And I
candle,
put one of our
point
cards
to
in
that
there
little
because
share
I knew
price
you
with
want
me.
more
And of course, we are always going to offer to make candles that are in your colors if you fail to find one on the shelf pre-made in the colors you need or want. Thank you. Look about it. Buy early while selection's at its best. We'll hold your candles here for you throughout the entire day. Need not have to worry about lugging them around the fair site. We are trying to help you, my lord. We as men know that we only have a few real purposes in life. Carrying the treasures around is one of them.
No, we live on a strict you buy, you carry policy.
Oh,
Well done, my lord.
indeed. How did you train her to do that, my lord?
I'll figure that.
Is that what it is?
Candles or jars? Lotions number 20, and our jars also long lasting. The large ones over 200.
Because I've been seeing them on Facebook, like the Ways fans.
So you just put the insert in.
That sign is $9.
Wait, you were in this channel
No, the voting's up $3.
Which one do you like?
If you get 6 of them, it's 15. So it's just if you buy 10.
All right, so there's the shape of our candle. Then we'll process we call painting with fire. Dark blue sky, a little bit of wispy clouds in the sky.
It's the economy.
Brown flowing into green.
The afternoon, 40 minutes a day. Okay, young lady right there, she get your name and number.
I remember about the little it was actually when I was wanting to take a comment.
And there's our colors on the candle right there.
Oh, look, there's a candle.
All the candles are individually handcrafted. The majority of candles that I make are refillable, so do not be shocked Will we very aggressively encourage you to burn them? No, we do have a black one. That's it's double dip.
I have drunk.
Perfect day for ice cream.
Well, someone will give me 3 toys.
Even those
Every day's a perfect day.
But you've heard about the thing we had problems with? Mermaids?
It's always a cold day on ice cream.
One of them died last night.
Right, $40 in change.
Yeah. We found out that mermaids will eat until they kill themselves. Yeah. Can't flush them down the toilet. It's too big. So I would encourage y'all to be wary of the fish and chips and places right now. I don't know, whatever you feel like you want to do with it. Here, a mushroom. I hand you a lot more. No prices on anything? You like to know what they cost? Point them out, we'll share prices with you, lords and ladies. Thou art gazing upon refillable candles, so need not be shocked or surprised when we very aggressively encourage you to burn them. Most people come in and look at them and say, wow, those things are way too pretty to burn. That's because most people do not know there's such thing as a refillable candle.
Right.
They just naturally assume all candles melt. That's what those other candle companies want you to believe as well.
I get old candles from the same one.
Oh, don't burn it. It's still young. It doesn't have fire yet.
I hope it doesn't burn my
You can actually make you a Dallas Cowboy candle for your man cave, my lord. We have one right
I
up
see one over
there.
there. I spotted that as soon as I walked in.
Thank you, my lord.
She's fire.
Fully refillable candles, lords and ladies.
How are you?
The only candles in the world that you should ever actually burn.
I'll stand behind her.
It's time to step up for one of the larger scenes.
Behold, any purchases here for thee throughout the day. So thou can go ahead and buy early. Not worry about having somebody buy the one you like the best out from under you. And you don't have to carry them around all day at the fair. All you have to do is carry around a paper receipt.
Last time he gave me a week out, he didn't get none of us.
We must be off. We must be off. Come on, you honking half hour.
I did not.
Thank you.
Indeed. Alright, so there's the shapes of our candles. Taking the wax out all the way to the core, so when the candle's burning up here, these windows down here will flicker and glow. Now we're going to take wolf figurines, which are not made out of, they're made out of polymer resin, and we're going to place them on the candle, start decorating it like a baker does a birthday cake. Need a candle made with your own colors, place an order. This is what I do the entire day. It takes me no more effort to make one for thee in your colors than it takes for me to put one back on my shelf. So place that order as early in the day as you can. And here's our wolf candle. When you burn the candles, they burn like this, my ladies. They burn down the center. All of the outside design is made out of a much higher melting point wax than what you think is even available. They also have smaller wicks in them, so they're not going to burn intensely. Melt only what it can melt closest to the wick, and the rest of it stays intact forever. Because eventually you refill them with these. From that point on, they're everlasting candles, being treated like a holder.
The last 55 years, it costs £9. I don't know, but I have OCD or anything like crazy in my head. The plastics right there.
It'll go good with all of our stuff. It's too early to be doing that. To be honest. It's too early for that.
What helps if you've actually woken up completely before.
Yes, now this is a bow pattern. We do have.
Thank you. Yay! Thank you! Yay, money!
Chivalry is alive and well. Huzzah for the lords of the land. My ladies are also quite thrilled at the fact that you're thinking of them for a change. You know, no, you're just not that sensuous, man. You know, put your feet up on the recliner and say, "Since you was up, honey, bring me a cold beer." I'm just exhibiting signs of paraffin toxicity. Come on. Forgive me. We hold any purchases here floating throughout the day. Need not have to carry them around. Now we're going to make the wolves appear to be made out of wax. And take the entire candle, characters and all, immerse it back into the hot clear paraffin, one brief quick dip, just enough to coat the entire candle. Pull it out. The wolves now look like they're made out of the same material as the candle. And now we're going to make it where you can keep the candle clean and pretty with as little effort as possible by putting industrial grade liquid wax on the outside of it. And now we put it over here and let it air dry. These are fully refillable candles. When you burn them and you take care of them by following the instructions that come with it, you should expect them to melt the hole straight down the center, and any of the design that I put on the candle should never be affected. Do not find one in the colors you need or want, place an order. This is what I do the entire day. It's literally just as easy to make one for you as it is for me to put one back on the shelf. So do not hesitate to keep me busy.